Top 10 Home Remedies for Sore Throats and Coughs. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 home remedies that will help with your sore throat, coughs, and cold. We all know what it's like to want relief from a sore throat or cough. But oftentimes we don't have time for complicated recipes or medicines that can interact with other medications we've taken. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through some of the most effective home remedies out there for getting rid of those pesky symptoms without too much fuss. Before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to keep up with our updates. Number 1. Gargle with salt water. This is one of the most tried and tested home remedies. It may be simple, but it really does work. The warm salt water will help ease discomfort and soothe your throat. Plus, it will help to thin out that pesky cough so that you can get some relief. Because salt is an antimicrobial agent, it's especially useful for killing any bacteria in your throat. Just follow these steps. Use 1 teaspoon of salt for every cup of warm water and stir until dissolved. Gargle with 1/3 of the solution every 5 minutes. Repeat for at least 10 minutes. Number 2. Honey is your friend. Honey is an effective antimicrobial agent, which means that it's fantastic at killing bacteria. This makes it ideal for both treating and preventing sore throats. To soothe your throat with honey, just take 1 tablespoon every hour for as many hours as you need to feel better. You can also mix it with some lemon and water for a more pleasant flavor if necessary. If you don't have honey at home, sugar will also do the trick. Number 3. Try thyme. Thyme is one of those herbs that most people probably don't think about when it comes to health remedies. However, thyme has all kinds of wonderful properties that make it great for dealing with respiratory infections. To use thyme to treat your cold or cough, steep some fresh thyme leaves in hot water and let the mixture cool off until it's no longer hot. Then drink as much as you can stand. Number 4. Love lemon. Lemon is a terrific source of vitamin C, which can help your body fight infections. It's also loaded with limonene, an antioxidant that has antiviral properties. The easiest way to enjoy the benefits of lemon is by making your own lemon water at home every morning. Just squeeze half a lemon into a cup of water and enjoy. Number 5. Make your own sore throat spray. The easiest way to make your own sore throat spray is with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Just dissolve 4 tablespoons of baking soda in 1 cup of warm water and stir until well dissolved. Then mix in 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide until the solution reaches the desired consistency. Put the mixture into a spray bottle and spritz it on your throat every few hours as needed for relief. Number 6. Slippery elm will save you. Slippery elm is another home remedy with some powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it's great for soothing an irritated throat. All you have to do is make some slippery elm gruel by boiling 1 teaspoon of the powder with a cup of water for about 5 minutes. Then let it cool and gargle with the solution every time you have a coughing fit. Number 7. Crush garlic. Garlic is absolutely loaded with antioxidants, which makes it very effective at treating respiratory infections. To use garlic as a sore throat remedy, just peel and crush 1 clove of garlic per cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 3 minutes, then strain out the solids. Drink a cup every few hours or as needed to feel better. Number 8. Get some cayenne. Cayenne is another powerful antimicrobial herb that's great for relieving sore throats. You can eat or make a tea with it by steeping 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper in hot water for 5 minutes, or you can take some cayenne capsules to get the same effect. Number 9. Use eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is yet another excellent respiratory herb. You can make a tea out of it by just boiling some fresh leaves in water, or you can take eucalyptus capsules for the same effect. Either way will work wonders for your sore throat. Number 10. Sage is amazing. Sage might not be something that everyone has in their kitchen, but it's extremely useful when it comes to treating a sore throat. To use sage as a remedy, make a tea with 1 teaspoon of the leaves in a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 minutes and strain out the solids before drinking. In many cases, you'll find that these remedies can produce results as well as or better than store-bought medications. So if you're gearing up for the cold season, it's a good idea to have all of these at hand so you're ready. I know that I always have some garlic, magnesium, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, ascorbate powder on hand just in case. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one. If you like this video, press the like button and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.